Are you ready to read?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. This is your. Here. You stand here. You stand here. What's this?
5.
5. Okay, you get the card if you read it right. Okay, what's this one?
Milk.
Good job. Good job, Joe. Kanita, taas.
Rectangle.
Oh, very good. And then this one.
Play.
Good job, Joe. Very good naman na ma-read, eh?
Grape.
Good job. Put doon ni nato.
Tiger.
Naali ko gihimo, daghan kaayo. Put doon ni nato.
House.
Good job. Sus ka, very good. Sus akong baby boy, eh? This one.
Cake.
Basta ma-perfect lagi ni.
Lion.
Ulo. Gravity. Heart. Good job. Ni. How about this one? This one.
Apple.
Logo B. Haman.
Fast.
Fast. Oh, dali. Fast talaga ka. Very good. I'm so proud. How about?
7.
Good job. Oh, 7. Oh, nahulog na noon. This one.
Food.
Hungry ka?
Food.
Get it. How about this one?
Airplane.
Look, very good. Sa kong anak. Uy.
Down.
And then, how about this?
Round.
Look, Haman. This one.
Water.
Oh, sus ka, grabe man.
Green.
Sus. This one.
Truck.
What? What's this? Trapezoid. Good job. Dere. I have more. Oh, I have a lot. One.
Doll.
Kuludong.
12.
Slow. Slow motion ka. Oh, dali na. Get this. Daghan pa kayo. Come on. Come here. Can you read this? Indigo. Very good. Good job. Dere. This.
Fish.
Good. What does a fish say? Si dagan. O patanaw man, dagan pa kay kag-assignment. Dali. This one.
Purple.
Good job. This one.
Special.
Good job. Hot doon mo, ha?
What is?
What's a good? Ano ang kalaban? Dara. This one.
Flower.
I'm so proud. How about this?
Monkey.
Oh, no. What? How do you read this?
Mooney.
Mother.
Mother.
Wrong kag-usa. This one.
9.
Good job. This one.
Lollipops.
Lollipop. How do you eat lollipop? Zebra.
Frog.
Good job.
6.
Good job. Load dun jadi natin, no? Perfect, ne? Wrong kag-usa. What's it? Shark. Anak mo bite ang shark na? Hold it properly, babe.
Okay.
Hala, di nga mo makuptan na. This is a lot.
What?
What's this?
T.
What?
T.
3.
Green.
Gana. This one.
No.
Good job.
Go bus.
School.
Wheel.
Wala yung school bus. Dali. Alena, we're not yet done. No, get the one. School. Wala na yung bus. Imam sang pakapinan. Dali. Stay there.
Table.
Good job.
Hexagon.
Again?
Hexagon.
Hexagon. Good job. How about this one? Come on. I'm not yet done. There's so many pa. Close. Close. This one. Horse. Louder.
Black.
Good job.
Boat.
Boat. How about this one? Can you read this?
Joseph. My name.
Your name. Very good. Joseph is your name. How about this?
Pentagon.
Again?
Pentagon.
Pentagon. Good job.
Next.
What is the sound of the snake?
Balloon pop.
Balloon pop. Pakapinan lagi.
Balloon pop.
This one. Read this first. Hello. Put it on the floor first. Put it on the floor. Sige. Sige. This one na. Put it there first.
Okay.
This one. Next. Next one. Clean up pa siya. Faster. Gina. This one. Hello. This one.
Red.
How about this? Earth. Di na eat. Earth. Ayaw ba? Ako ba nang gikugihan? Sige. This one.
Down.
Draw.
Draw.
Anak. Mauna siya. This one.
Dog.
Sister.
Sister.
Who's your sister?
My name is Sister.
This one.
Slime.
Not slime. Smile.
Smile.
How about this one? Wala na kay correct, ha? This one.
Candy.
Good job. How about this?
Blue color.
Blue color, na? Good job.
Yeah.
How about this?
Open.
Open.
Oh, that's
How about this?
10.
Good job.
That's
This. Ninyo.
rabbit.
Good job. You have so many na, no? How about this?
2.
Very good. How about the next one?
Gorilla.
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 This one.
Chocolate.
This one. Ninyo. 6. 8. Good job. And
Window.
and then this one. You know this?
What?
This one.
Road.
Roar.
Wall.
How about this? How about this? Nin.
Oh.
Look.
Candy.
Dili. What is this? Nagtagan-tagan na ka. Read.
Cherry.
Cherry. Very good.
Banana.
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 Oh, this one. Perfect na hapit. Oh, dali. Faster. Door. Good job. You did it.
Yup.
Ay, kasuko.
What?
Dako nang tinubuyo. Kani. I don't know. Do you know this?
Okay.
Okay. And this one.
Number.
Okay. Kasuko. Good.
Bobby.
What?
Bobby.
Violet. Violin. Oh, this one.
Ready.
Good job.
Ready. Ready. Ready.
Who's the baby? Kapit na tanong man. This. What?
Ready.
Drink. Tarong nga. Shaggy. Go. Go sa siya. Oh, dili. Finish mo. Ka naman. Gamay na lang. This.
Jago.
Juice.
Juice.
So, jago. Tagan-tagan ka ha. Kana grade ha. Oh, this one.
Mango. Daddy.
How this? This one. Hello.
Boot. Boat.
Brother.
Bloody.
This one.
Elephant.
Elephant. Yun na, kayapit na. This.
Alphabet.
Good job. Alphabet.
Circle.
Can you draw a circle? How about this?
Light.
Good job.
Arrow.
Good job.
Spoon.
Spoon.
Bar. Bar.
Father.
Body.
This one. Kapit na.
Rocks.
What?
Roxes.
Rocket. Very good. Gamay na lang yun.
Orange.
Orange. This one.
Suits.
What?
You said my name.
No, that is not your name. That is Jesus.
Jesus. My name is Jesus.
No, your name is not Jesus. Dere. Dere. Hello. What's that?
Airplane.
No. Read first.
Airplane.
Planet.
Planet.
Okay, get it. Ay, panguot. Dere. Get it.
Thank you.
Sige na. Kanina, read na nini mo gahapon. What's this? Hapit na gyud. Gamay na lang, sige.
Yellow.
Yellow. How about this? You know my name?
Canoe.
Karen.
Parrot.
What's this?
Mary.
Mary. This one?
Chicken.
Chicken. This one? Sige na. Almost done.
Donuts.
Get it. And then, hello,
Cherry.
chair,
Apple.
oval,
Yummy.
yummy. And the last one,
Up.
Good job. You finished everything. Good job.
Finish.
You finished. Good job, Nina.